The state's health secretary telling lawmakers it's time for the public to prepare for the coronavirus to get worse, asking for more money to help the state battle the virus. The State Department of Health Secretary John Weisman asking state senators just this morning to increase the funding being set aside to handle all this from $10 million to $100 million. He says that would help the state handle what is expected to be, as Chris just mentioned, a growing number of patients. He says public education should be increased as well, reminding people to stay home when they're sick, to wash their hands thoroughly for 20 seconds, avoid touching their faces as well. He says parents have to be ready in case schools have to be closed.
Folks right now should be taking action. Right now is the time to get prepared. We know we've got the coronavirus in our community. We know that we're having some community spread. We know that the risk is increasing.
So those who write the budgets are telling him that he should be expecting bipartisan support for the budget increase request.